Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the poorest and the most struggling set of people in Jamaica. Of course, I am talking about none other than our current members of parliament. See, it seems there's nobody in Jamaica suffering than our MPs, because this campaign they are launching to increase their salary, right, from the measly penny chicken feed $300,000 a month that they're getting, right, to God knows how much, because them keep saying it's not enough. So I'm wondering how much them want. But anyway, please, we have to talk about this, because these people clearly need our help. Now, at first, when the story came out and the MPs who did the interview and said that they willingly take so-called donations from contractors and people like that because they're suffering, and one of them said he spends over $200,000 on gas, right? I mean, to this day I'm wondering if he drives a V12 Ferrari, because I'd really like to know what kind of car he might drive to make him spend over $200,000 on gas, right? But then I'm starting to think to myself, you know what is happening here, people? These MPs are going for what I call the PJ money grab. You remember when the former Prime Minister, PJ Patterson, pulled off that incredible stunt where he managed to secure the bag for a lifetime with the Prime Minister's pension thing, where all of the Prime Minister them, when time them retire, right, even if them was Prime Minister for a day, right, once them retire, them continue to live the big life and make the big money. I think the MPs are pushing for the same thing. I think the MPs are slowly trying to work their way into the MP security bag fund, right? Because now people like Pernell Charles are now coming to the front, right? When you see a politician as senior as Pernell Charles, somebody who have the backing, even though he's a Labourite, he's been in the system for so long that his voice means a lot, not just for the Labour MP, but for MPs in general. Because people are going to say, what? Pernell Charles said that? Oh, well, it more serious, man. But when I was listening to the words of Pernell Charles, I want you to understand something, people. I want you to understand that in 2019, even though Pernell Charles is an old school man still, so I shouldn't really be surprised, but even in 2019, it goes to show you that the mindset of our leaders have not changed. Because Pernell Charles is saying the reason why the 300,000 is not enough is because when they go into the constituency, people are going to beg you a thing, and you can't give them nothing out of 300,000, or the 300,000 are going done for us. People, think about this for a second. When since did MPs get paid to give people money out of it? If somebody come to you as an MP and beg you something, and you take money out of your salary and give it to them, that is an act of charity. Are your business that? There is currently a $20 million constituency development fund that is available to every single constituency. Right? At one point it was even at 40 million. Now it is 20 million. So that means to say, all them things that Pernell Charles are talk about, for somebody beg you a school book and beg you a bag and beg you one pencil and beg you one doctor bill, you have $20 million to dig into, right? So where you need your salary increase for? You see what they're trying to do, you know, because they want the money increase, but them can't just say, boy, you know, so want more money, because that doesn't sound right. And furthermore, the people them now see the results, so you can't come out and say, boy, we just want more money, right? So what they're doing, you know, they're trying to skillfully make it sound like, oh, you know, it's for the people. It's not for me. It's for the people. Because when you increase my salary, I have more to give to the people. Rubbish. Nonsense. Scam. This is a total scam. Pernell Charles, the MP's salaries is rubbish. Well, Pernell Charles is talking rubbish. What he's trying to say is that, oh, let's say for example the salary goes up to 600,000, then we're going to have more money now, So when somebody come beg with a thing, we can give them it. First of all, this handout culture was fostered, right, and encouraged by Uno same MP. Uno same MP put it in the people's mind. Say them come to Uno come get this and get that and get this and get that. That is not the role of an MP, no. An MP's job is not to go in the constituency to give a man a thing, right? That is not how you help poor people. That is not how people escape poverty. They give man a thing, right? That culture was established by Uno MP, right? Now that's, them are going to try to tell us that, well, they need more money to give people something. So let me ask you this now. Let's say, for example, the salary increase from 300,000 to $1 million. We're going to give them $1 million. I'm going to show you why Perennial Charles' argument can't hold up and can't make sense. Even if you increase it to $1 million, right, per MP, per constituency, when you have $1 million now, and then people start coming to you now because they know say you have more money, the money is still going to do the same way. $1 million can't stretch for your whole constituency. $1 million a month, if you go pay how much doctor bill according to Perennial Charles. With a matter of fact, $2 million can't stretch. If you go pay a doctor bill every minute and give much man this and give much man that, right? Thousands upon people live in our constituency. A matter of fact, most of these MPs, them constituency barely see them. Barely see. Some of these MPs don't turn up in the constituencies until election time. They right around the corner. So I don't know why they make it sound like say, boy, them living at the constituency. And every day them grow, them have to give 10 and 20,000. So the money are done. People, this is nothing to do with the people. This is nothing to do with helping people, right? This is to do in securing the bag for your lifetime. Them a try slowly work them way up to that PGA package, right? Them not gonna get as much as the Prime Minister them getting, but these MPs are slowly trying to work it so that them end up get one of them lifetime bags. Just watch and see. It will slowly get bigger and bigger, and you're going to hear say, boy, you know, so we're going to need this and we're going to need that. And if the Jamaican people are not on their toes, they might go fall feet, right? Because notice the tricks they're bringing. They're telling you, oh, it's because we need to provide books and uniforms and food, so we need more salary. Your salary now have nothing to do with giving a man a thing. Nothing at all, right? If you do decide to give a man a thing out of your salary, that's charity. That's your business. Taxpayers not nothing to do with that. And tell me something, people. How many MPs you know have one source of income? How many MPs you know sit down at them yard, not do nothing except being MP? How many you can think of? A matter of fact, and this is not even declaring the money we then get on the side as quote-unquote donations. There is no MP in Jamaica where any amount come, only 300,000 going in them account. None. So what are they talking about? Listen, Perennial Charles and them money will come from this era. I mean, I don't think Perennial Charles have long left in politics. I think he's stepping down from his seat. But it just goes to show you, right? Perennial Charles is a relic of the old school days of politics, right? But even the new school man them think the same, right? Because the MPs them when they come out initially and said, right, they were newer MPs, and even Michael Phillips did come out and say the same thing. And all of these men are acting as if, boy, JPS soon cut off them light. When in reality, their pets live a better life than their constituents. They pet them in their yard, them dog them in their yard, live a better life and eat a better food, better quality food than the people in their constituency. They need to stop this crying as if, boy, they're struggling to make ends meet and they need more money because they don't know how they're going to survive. Just please stop it. Stop. We're not tricking nobody, right? We're not tricking nobody, and the people don't feel sorry for you, right? Nobody feels sorry for you, right? We know say we're not carrying no 300,000 a month, right? And a matter of fact, you might be getting overpaid because this MP thing needs to start work off a performance. MPs need to start getting paid based on performance. They need to get a low set salary and then have a performance. Then if you have some metrics, alright, whosoever constituency hit these targets and we see these results in their constituency, you can make one extra this and one extra that, right? That is how the system should work. They need to start get paid based on performance. Right? Because some of these constituency, some of these MPs are getting overpaid for the 300,000. Overpaid. Why? I don't know. Perennial Charles, I think your time is coming up, bro. But I think you're retiring anyway, so it don't matter. Right? You've served a good run. And this is the next question I have to ask. Since MP life is so hard when it comes down to money, why them willing to move heaven and hell to make it not the seat? Since them already know how much them will get, why them broke them neck to become MP? Since the money not good, I don't know about say the money not good. Why everybody kill themselves to become MP? I'll tell you why. Because them know the perks. Them know that the 300,000 is only on paper, but the kickbacks and the backdoor payments and the quote unquote donations are this are the real money make. Them know that. That is why the whole of them want to come become MP. You think of serve. Very few of them going to politics to serve nobody. Them going there to serve them bank account. Why them politicians are shameless. Shameless. People, how much I want to feel sorry for them? Talk to me in the comment section. Because I know some want to feel sorry for them, you know. And say, boy, Sir P, the man them need to get all 500,000 Sir P. How you talk about? More money for the man them. Them know when I say in the comment section, no? Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.